Hey there, I'm Matthew Pierce, co-founder of TurboRank, and this is your Turbo Tips. These are fast, hopefully punchy breakdowns of YouTube strategies built for brands that want more than just views, they want wins. And today we're diving into 3 moves that'll help you ride that algorithm instead of getting run over by it. All right, let's go. Alrighty, and for our first tip of the week, YouTube just dropped a new feature, another new feature. This one's called Hype. Basically, it's their version of saying, hey, this video doesn't suck, let's show it to more people. Well, it was meant for creators, but brands, well, we absolutely can hijack this. If your video triggers engagement, comments, shares, watch loops, YouTube steps in and gives you a little organic steroid boost. It's kind of like a TikTok's For You page, but dressed in business casual. All right, a quick tip here is start your video like you're shooting out of a cannon. Say something spicy or at least interesting enough to get the comment war going, and then stay in those comments. Be there right after you publish. Reply fast. Keep that loop alive and going. Let the algorithm hype you instead of disappearing faster than your ad budget did on January 3rd. Alrighty, and for our second tip of the week, if you have used AI to create content, something to know about, they are actually cracking down on this mass-produced AI content. Translation, they're sick of slideshows with robot voices that sound like a hostage reading cereal ingredients. If your video feels like it was made on autopilot, then YouTube is about to swat it right out of the feed. But you don't need to freak out. YouTube isn't anti-AI. They're really anti-boring. So quick tip here. Before you publish, ask yourself, would you actually watch this video? If it sounds like a chat GPT on NyQuil, well, then fix it. If it feels sharp, human, and it has a good damn point, then you are good. For our third tip of the week, we are going to AI-powered search carousels. They are live now, and might I add, they are ruthless. YouTube just launched these AI-powered search carousels for premium users. So when somebody searches for the best sunscreen for bald dudes, I don't have that problem, or how to fix my credit fast, YouTube creates top videos right at the top like it's Google's younger cool cousin, right there on the top. So if your video isn't optimized for the searches and you are not getting featured, you are getting buried, like 6 feet buried way under the scroll. So your quick tip here is write like somebody actually Googled it. Write your title, your chapters, and your content. Make it match real questions, not some clever word salad from your creative director's vision board. Say it with me. That's a little hard to say. Clarity ranks fluff flops. Okay, you got it. Alrighty, hey, that's your 3-minute turbo tips for this week. This is for marketers who don't have time to guess, they just have time to win. You like us? Drop a comment, subscribe, tell your boss that you are working when you're watching these videos. Alright, you really are. And remember, we don't just rank you, we turbocharge your success. Catch you next time.